Good day, everyone. Hi, how are you? I hope you're all in good condition. So, here is our presentation of action plan. We are the Team 6 from the Philippines. By following this action plan, our organization can effectively advocate for its priority areas in line with the goals of the BEDP 2030, leveraging the data and strategies outlined in the ESA and ESP for maximum impact. Number one, review and understand the BEDP 2030 document. Number two, identify synergies with ESA and ESP. Number three, define advocacy objectives. Number four, develop strategic partnerships. Number five, launch advocacy campaigns. Number six, monitor and evaluate impact. Number seven, report and communicate outcomes. And number eight, sustain engagement. And here are our contributions. Number one, educate others and raise awareness. Number two, engage with local schools and communities. Number three, advocate for policy implementation. Number four, support and partner with NGOs. Number five, participate in training and development. And lastly, monitor and provide feedback. Thank you so much and wassalam.